So here's a quick video on my new carriage doors. Built carriage doors here. I had two old fold-up doors in my 1970s house here, and now replaced them with two homemade carriage doors. I'll show those on the outside here in just a moment. So the doors themselves are backed in OSB and mounted with 4 heavy-duty hinges here, there, and of course down at the bottom. The cane bolts are not needed now that they're hooked up to the garage door openers. So let's take a look at the garage door opener setup. These actually worked with the original garage door openers, which are basic roll-up door garage door openers. These things work with just standard roll-up doors. And all this is the original mounting hardware here for the large bar that would mount to the roll-up door or to a fold-up door has now been modified and has conduit. I used just standard electrical conduit, which gives me a nice long rod, easy to cut and size, and I mounted it here to the top corner of each door with a simple framing bracket. So simple framing bracket and a bolt pass-through. The doors are connected to the screw drive on the old garage door. Same thing on the other side, exact same, except it's a different garage door opener, but essentially the same thing. I took the original hardware and modified it and cut the same length conduit to mount to the top of the doors there. So let's take a look at how it works. I'll step over here on this side. So here's how the mechanism works. The garage door is now closing. If it was a roll-up door, it's closing. And in this case, it's opening up. And of course, it pivots here and brings the door all the way out to the open position. And we can take a look at it from the outside on the way back. And that is that. The only issue that I had was a little bowing in the door down at the bottom. So I put in a color matched board on the left side door and it brings it together just fine, locks it in nice and tight. The only thing left to do is weather stripping. Both doors operate the same. So there you go, carriage doors with your existing roll-up garage door opener.